Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the project overview of Jain's Adya by Jain Housing and Constructions Ltd. The project is located in Semencheri, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project and behind me is your marketing office. The land parcel is also just behind your marketing office. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos, but with Housey, it is directly shared with the developer. Now, in this video, we will be discussing about the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So let's get this video started. Now, coming over to the project overview, Jain's Adya is a premium high-rise residential apartment project which is spread across approximately 2 acres of land parcel. The project features one residential tower with 4 levels of car parking plus basement plus 1 stilt, and it offers a total of 468 apartments, which is 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 70% plus open space. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Semencheri, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now, that side of the road connects you to the OMR corridor. And this is your further connectivity. The connectivity nearby landmarks. Sholin-Galanur Junction is only 5 minutes away from here. TCS campus only 800 meters away. The proposed metro station only 2 minutes away. The ECR beach as well 15 minutes away. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers 80 plus lifestyle amenities designed for all age groups, such as a clubhouse with indoor games, party hall, swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, yoga, meditation zones, co-working spaces, and a lot more. Next, the super built-up area. You see, the project offers smartly planned apartments with approximately super built-up area for 1 BHK 586 to 638 square feet and 2 BHK is 896 to 936 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the process. So our project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, share the pricing, payment plans and the offers as well. You will also be shown the sample flat apartment. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed with the booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Jain's Adya, which is located in Semencheri, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.